Hey Stitching Muses, and welcome back to Sewing Vision. I am Vivian, and today we are diving into one of the small but mighty essentials of lingerie sewing: elastics. If you have ever wondered which type of elastic you should use for panties, bralettes, or even swimwear, this video is just for you. I will show you 5 common types of elastics, explain when they are used, and share my tips for sewing them. So let's get into it. Picot elastic, soft elastic with a small decorative edge, frill or loops, usually from 8 to 12 millimeters wide, comfy and delicate. Uses: waistbands and leg openings on panties, underbust on soft bralettes, bra and bralettes edges. Sewing tip: sew in 2 steps, first on the wrong side with the picot edge outwards, then fold it in and top stitch with zigzag. Fold over elastic, flat elastic that folds in half, clean finish, matte or shiny, soft on the skin. Uses: armholes and necklines, panties, especially comfy ones, and soft bralettes. Sewing tip: fold it over the edge and sew close to the fold with a narrow zigzag. Stretch slightly as you sew, but not too much. Plush back elastic, wider elastic with a soft brushed underside. Great stretch and recovery. Comfy but strong. Uses: waistband on panties, shorts, or loungewear. Underbust bands on bralettes. Sewing tip: sew it directly to the fabric with zigzag. Strap elastic or spaghetti elastic, narrow elastic from 5 to 15 millimeters, firm and often shiny, strong enough to hold weight. Uses: straps for bralettes, bodysuits or suspenders, decorative harnesses or cut-out details. Sewing tip: use with the rings or hooks and sliders to make adjustable straps. Swimwear elastic, often matte or shiny, from 6 to 12 millimeters wide, doesn't absorb water, holds shape. Uses: waist, leg openings and necklines of swimwear, ties and straps, seam reinforcement for durability. Sewing tip: sew directly into the seam with a zigzag or 3-step zigzag stitch. Stretch gently, just enough to keep the edge secure and smooth. If you are planning to sew swimwear, this elastic is essential. It keeps everything in place and helps your swimsuit last longer. So that's it, your quick guide to 5 essential elastics for lingerie and swimwear sewing. Each one brings something different: comfort, structure, or that clean finish. Let me know in the comments which elastic is your favorite to sew with and which one you are excited to try next. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more sewing tips and tutorials. See you soon!